Morning, my friend. Okay, today our topic is water cycle, that is on page number 56. We are doing the chapter number 5. Fine. We already know about the matters and its states. These are known as solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. And the different terms we have used: freezing, melting, boiling, condensation, and sublimation. Now, what is water cycle? Why it is needed, and what it do with the daily life activity? Water cycle. Water never leaves the earth, and it is constantly being cycled through the atmosphere, ocean, and land. In this process is known as the water cycle and is driven by the energy from the sun. Water is continuously fall down to the earth in the form of what? Rainfall. Rainfall की form में हमारे पास पानी आता है, and that rainfall and the oceans, lakes, and rivers, the water inside them are getting evaporated on the daily basis by the sunlight or heat energy that is provided by the sun, that goes back to the sky or clouds. What happened? Look at it. This is the water. It can be river, oceans, or anywhere. The sunlight comes. What it do? The heat energy. The water molecules start evaporating. They will go into the clouds, form condensation. This process is called condensation. When they condense, what happens? They condense and then they fall in the form of precipitation. They fall in the form of precipitation, and that precipitation is called as rainfall. And this whole process is known as water cycle. What is it? Water cycle. Then, what is evaporation? It is the transformation of a liquid into a gas. Now look here. Evaporation. Liquid form थी, heat मिली, फौरन किस में बन गई? Gaseous form में. This is called as evaporation. Now, condensation. What is condensation? It is the cooling process that changes gas into a liquid. Now look here. Condensation. Gaseous form आपके ऊपर गई, उसको liquid में convert कर रही है, दोबारा rainfall में बन रहा है, तो it is called as condensation. Fine. Now look here. What happens in stages of condensation? आपके पास water मौजूद है in any form. It can be in the lakes, through oceans, rivers, or anywhere in the dams or anything. Now what happens? Sunlight comes, heat energy is provided to the water molecules, it starts evaporating. Water evaporate होता है. Water evaporate हुआ, it forms big clouds, big bonding, they form groups of molecules and it condense to form clouds. Clouds बन गए. जब आपके clouds बन गए हैं तो उसके बाद वो क्या करेंगे? Condensation. Condensation मतलब क्या है? गैस को liquid form में convert करेंगे. जब condense हो जाएंगे तो जब liquid बनेगा तो it will fall on the earth in the form of rainfall. Fine. Now another scientific question that arises: evaporation of water from wet cloth कैसे होती है? आप ड्राई करने के लिए अपने कपड़ों को डाल देते हैं, ठीक है, सनलाइट में, एंड आफ्टर एन आवर टू यू सी के आपके कपड़े सारे क्लॉथ्स जो हैं वो ड्राई हो चुके हैं. हाउ इट हैपन? एक्चुअली द सन इज़ गिविंग द हीट एनर्जी. वो जो हीट एनर्जी है वो क्या करती है? उसके अंदर जो मौजूद वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स जो कि लिक्विड फॉर्म में हैं उनको एवेपोरेट करना स्टार्ट कर देती है. एवेपोरेट होगा तो एवेपोरेशन का मतलब है इट विल कन्वर्ट इनटू गैसियस फॉर्म. वो एवेपोरेट होकर किधर चले जाएंगे? एटमॉस्फेयर में. और आपका जो क्लॉथ्स हैं या एनी पीस, एनीथिंग, any object, it will get dry. Now what you have to do? You have to do activity number 2 and 3 on your notebooks. So we have given the answers in the December plan. Note them on your notebooks in a good handwriting. Okay, thank you, my friends.